In 1814, the British burned Washington, D.C., but a freak storm saved the city. As flames engulfed the White House, a sudden hurricane struck, extinguishing the fires. Tornadoes followed, scattering British troops. Was it divine intervention or mere coincidence? The storm's fury left the British retreating, and the city stood resilient. This bizarre twist of nature altered the course of the War of 1812, leaving a legacy of survival against the odds. Today, the event is a testament to the unpredictable forces of nature and their role in shaping history.